Every single day, across the world, millions of tons of food are thrown away, an urgent challenge and an untapped opportunity.
But hidden inside this waste lies an incredible source of energy. But now, advanced AI drones are changing everything. Once collected, the material begins its journey toward one of the most advanced biofuel facilities ever built. But what happens next will inspire you.
Smart AI drones carefully collect organic waste and safely seal it inside advanced energy pods.
First, the waste is crushed into organic paste, preparing it for the energy conversion process. This is where science begins, transforming waste into the fuel of the future. But now, AI-powered drone technology is offering a transformative solution. This is where science begins, transforming organic material into the fuel of the future.
Next, the organic paste is processed inside advanced vessels, beginning the transformation into clean energy.
Advanced systems purify every drop, producing high-quality, renewable fuel. The purified fuel is stored inside large energy reservoirs. Clean power, ready for the world. Now the clean fuel begins its journey to communities, to stations, to people everywhere.
Clean fuel reaches stations everywhere, providing a sustainable, affordable alternative. Powered by clean fuel, communities are fresher, air is cleaner, and a new generation grows up in a brighter world. From large cities to small towns, clean fuel transforms how communities power their world. Cleaner, smarter, better. From up here, you can see the difference. A planet once struggling, now thriving. Every light below tells a story of change, of hope, of yesterday's unused food. The future is already here.